Good morning, students. Today we are discuss about a topic magnetic field produced along the axis of the current carrying circular coil. Let us consider the circular coil. The circular coil of radius r. Okay, next the current carrying the circular coil I plus 1 and the point B at a distance z from the midpoint O. Okay, next here center call O. Next let us consider small element Cn D. Okay, next here the small element Cn to the small length dl. The midpoint called O. O to B distance is a here line joining elements at a point B. B to D distance R. Here also B to C distance R. Okay, next this distance is Z. Here make the angle theta. Make the angle by. Okay, next according to Biot-Savart law, the magnetic induction. According to Biot-Savart law, magnetic induction. Using Biot-Savart law equation, the Biot-Savart law equation Tp is equal to mu naught by 4 by I dl sin theta by r square. Let us consider the Biot-Savart law equation. Here I dl and r is perpendicular direction. Here let us consider TL I dl and then r is the perpendicular distance. Here perpendicular distance I dl and r, this value is equal to 90 degree. Okay, here the sin 90 value, here sin 90 degree value is equal to 1. Okay, from the equation Tp is equal to mu naught by 4 by I dl by r square. Here the current carrying direction also perpendicular direction. Okay, next the angle between IDL and R, the angle called perpendicular angle 90 degree. So here angle are called 90 degree. Here sin 90 is equal to 1. Okay, next the direction dB is perpendicular to the current IDL and CP. Therefore along B are perpendicular CP. Okay, next now magnetic field Tp due to each current. The element is resolved in two components. The element is resolved in two components. One dB cos pi and then dB dash cos pi. Here dB sin pi and then dB sin pi. Okay, next dB cos pi is the horizontal direction. Here y axis, along y axis. dB sin theta is the vertical along z axis. Here dB cos pi, that's the opposite direction, y axis. Here positive, here dB cos pi is the opposite direction, so cancel to each other. Let us cancel along y axis. dB sin theta also vertical direction. Here also same direction. The total net magnetic field, be at the point B, the B vector is equal to dB sin by what the axis? Z axis means K, unit vector K. Okay, next here the dB sin B value, dB value already known. The dB value is equal to B vector is equal. Let us consider the total magnetic field at a point B. Okay, next here integrate. The dB value is equal to mu naught I dl by 4 by r square sin by K vector. Here applying the value B vector is equal to mu naught I by 4 by TL sin by divided by r square k vector. A triangle OCP. The triangle OCP. The triangle la ennu sin by kandupidikanum. Triangle la sin by ude value kandupidikanum. Sin theta is equal to OC by CP. Sin theta is equal to OC by CP. Okay, next here OC value theriyum. Okay, OC value is equal to R. The sin by is equal to R by here CP value is equal to CP value. The find out the equation Pythagoras theorem. Okay, next here R square plus R square is equal to R square. Here small r is equal to R is equal to root of R square plus Z square. Okay, this value R square plus Z square whole power 1 by 2. Here sin by value is equal to R by R square plus Z square whole power 1 by 2. From the equation here applying for sin by value. B is equal to mu naught I by 4 by this value sin by is equal to R by R square plus R square plus Z square whole power 1 by 2 dot. Here also next R square value is equal to this R square value is equal to R square plus Z square whole power 1. Okay, from the equation P is equal to mu naught I by 4 by here R square plus Z square whole power 3 by 2. 1 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2. Already known. Here also value missing DL. IDL. Here also DL. Here DL is a small element. DL is a small element. The surface called TL is equal to 2 by R. Area called TL is a 2 by R. Here B is equal to mu naught I. TL value is equal to 2 by R. Here from the equation 2 by R divided by 4 by here 4 by A. Okay, next here P is equal to mu naught I 2 by R into R. Okay, next R square plus Z square whole power 3 by 2. Here also by cancel. 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Okay, next P is equal to mu naught I R square divided by 2 R square plus Z square whole power 3 by 2. Here Z is equal to 0. Here Z is equal to 0 because at the center of the coil Z is equal to center la magnetic field Z is equal to 0. Z is equal to 0 from the equation P is equal to mu naught I r square divided by 2 r square whole power 3 by 2. 2 cancel. P is equal to mu naught I r square divided by 2 r cube. Here square cancel. P is equal to mu naught I by 2r. Mu naught I by 2r. Okay, next here. The number of turns of the circular coil. Number of turns of the circular coil. From the equation, P is equal to mu naught N I by 2R. Let us consider the magnetic induction at the center of the coil. At the center of the coil, P is equal to mu naught N I by 2R. Thank you.